A quick update on the Sierra project. We're up to part 3 here. Been doing some work on the audio section. Got the audio section built. Give you a quick look at that. I think you probably saw last time, but on the left side there, you can see the power supply section with input and regulator and a couple of caps. And then remember, I'm using the key jack for the audio input. And we'll roll this over here. This is the audio section. So you can see the LM386 there. And I've got the Scope Pro hooked up to the output before the volume control. That goes up to the scope that's out of view. You can turn this up. You can hear that that's the audio passband peak at about 760 hertz. Looking at input versus output and frequency, this is the passband curve, the one that's highlighted. I was too lazy to get another piece of paper, so this one is from the Frog Sounds that uses a simple LC circuit for the filter, and this is the one for the Sierra here. There are the numbers I took, not very elaborate. I used the voltage in over voltage out, made 0 dB the 768 hertz number, which is where the scope peaks, and then looked up and down at the voltage peak to peak out. After that, to get the curve, that's the curve. And if you'll remember, the Wilderness Sierra has these two components here, which cause, they say, a 6 dB peak or a bass boost. This circuit is tuned for, it looks like, about 768 hertz. That's what causes that peak. And you can see that it's more than 6 dB, but it is a fairly mild peak in terms of total number of dB. So you can hear by turning the frequency up and down that the volume does go up and down like this curve shows, and I can also see it on the scope. What I'll do next is, just to see if the NorCal versus the Wilderness is different, I'll disconnect this bass boost circuit and retake the measurement, plot the curve, and come back and show you the results. So thanks for looking. See ya.